Well guys, the DailyFoz broke down again. And this time it's actually the radiator that is leaking. I saw that on my way to IKEA to get some furniture for the new apartment, and I had some smoke coming out of the hood. That's because I had coolant everywhere in the engine bay, so it was a bit sketchy. I had this problem on the DailyFoz, but the leak was, very minimal. Here, it's a pretty bad leak.
Okay, and just before starting, I always like to check if there's maybe a tutorial. Forester Radiator replacement. Oh, this video looks so nice. This guy, yeah, it should be pretty nice tutorial. Maybe you should subscribe to this guy's channel. Helpful DIY and how-to videos.
And the good news is I just got my new radiator this morning, so perfect timing. And let's get to work. Oh, got coolant in my hair.
And now, let's enjoy some car mechanic ASMR.
So the old radiator cap seemed good, but I'm still gonna switch and get a change in for a brand new one. Subaru.
Alright, it's getting dark because I did that just after work, so it's actually pretty late. Right now, this is what my awesome how-to video told me to do, is to actually put ventilation on hot position, and I'm gonna start the car for 30 seconds and rev it for 10 seconds, cut it, and check the level, coolant level. Need to add some coolant. Okay, so yesterday I had a test run during the night, and new radiator seems good. I'm just gonna check now that the car is cold, coolant level last time, and there's a little thing, a little detail I have to take care about, but that's pretty good for the radiator. And another thing I want to do is the oil change. I have some free time tonight, and I'm not sure I will be able to do that later, so I'm really gonna take care of that oil change with new oil filter.
Yep, wrong one. Okay, that's there. Wasn't really tight. Yeah, nice score. This one. Damn.
Guys, I didn't film, but I even clean a little bit the inside of the car, and this is the last test drive after the oil change. So I'm pretty happy. New radiator, new coolants, new oil filter. So I'm just gonna check one last time if there's not any leaks, if everything's tightened properly, etc. But everything's ready for tomorrow, because actually with Lizanne we are going on, this is not really an adventure, but I rent a small cabin in a small forest, and we have some 2 hours of driving to get there. So that's why I had to get the DailyFoz ready, and that was one hell of a job between the you know, the filming, the daily job, and I just had small time at the end of the day to do the radiator, the oil change. So hopefully nothing wrong is gonna happen again on the DailyFoz, finger crossed, but now he's ready to go. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe to our channel, it always helps. And as you saw at the very beginning of the video, I also do how-to videos, DIY and adventure videos, so stay tuned and subscribe. You can also check my Instagram account for awesome pictures and my website for articles, content about Subaru and Overlanding. All the links are down below in the description. Thank you guys for watching. See you next week.